returns and repairs. The electrical automation after-sales service is managed directly from our website. If you're not satisfied with your product and wish to return it, you have 7 days from the date of receipt to do so. In the event the product doesn't work properly, you can process the repair or replacement as appropriate. To do so, you just need to access our website, download the RMA document, complete it, and send it to info@electronicautomationnetwork.com. After receiving your authorization number, you need to send the product to the address indicated in the RMA document, attaching a copy of it in a visible part of the package. If it's a defective product, we'll give you instructions to organize the collection of the material at the address you provide us with. Once we've received the item, our technical service will review it and proceed with the refund, repair, or replacement. For the expenses and costs associated with these processes, the general conditions of sales, supply and payment associated with your order will apply. You can review these on our website.